Hello, my friends. How's everyone doing today? Welcome. I'm here to share with you some Thrifty Thursday goodies. I've been saying I'm trying not to go thrifting, and I haven't really gone thrifting in a couple of months, if you can believe it or not. I know I've had Thrifty Thursdays, but they were scheduled way out because I just had a lot of things I wanted to share for Thrifty Thursday, and I just, did a little bit each week and just scheduled them until I got through everything. But I actually haven't been thrifting in a couple months. So I went to, let's see, what did I get? Oh, I only got this right here at a thrift store where, I've been, I am kind of constantly, almost constantly anyway, decluttering like my house. If I come across a piece of clothing or a pair of shoes I don't want to wear anymore, I kind of put them in a pile, and then if they stay there for a month or two, then I say, okay, these got to go. This pile's got to get out of my house, and then I take them and drop them off at Goodwill. So the last time, I've been doing that, but I haven't been going in, you know what I mean? I've just been dropping things off and leaving. But this time I went in because I haven't been in a couple of months. And I found this. I kind of like try to tell myself not to get it because I have plenty of scrapbook paper already, but I kept seeing designs I liked. And this whole pile right here, there's a lot here. I ended up getting all of it that I saw. And this whole pile, if you can see, it's like an inch thick. Let me see if I have it all going in the same direction. Yeah, I do. You can see there's a lot here, and I was like trying to tell myself not to get it. I like left it over in that spot and left the area and went to another area of Goodwill, and then I went back over there, and I was like, and I kept finding more of it. Like I wasn't, it was in a with some books, like with the book in the book area. And I kept looking at the books, and then I kept finding more scrapbook paper. So when I found it, I would put it together, and I ended up with this pile. And I thought, and I kept seeing patterns that I really like even this pattern right on the top. I love that. I think it's awesome. And I thought, well, it doesn't have any kind of branding strip. I don't know who made this. And I mean, nothing on the back, nothing anywhere. So, but what I said to myself was, well, if it had Tim Holtz on it, I would buy it. I'd be like, Tim Holtz scrapbook paper, I have to get this. But it didn't have Tim Holtz on it. It didn't have anything on it. But I liked it. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to get it. It probably is not going to cost that much. And it ended up costing me only $1.69 for this whole pile of scrapbook paper. So I went through all of that turmoil in my head for $1.69. And so let me show you what I had to bring home. And this is all I bought there that day. So as you can see, I think they're all really pretty designs, and I like all over patterns like this. And if I want to, I can coffee dye these or dye them another color on the back, or I can leave them white, whatever. But they're good, generic, I think, kind of generic. I can go vintage, I can go, I mean, look at these. They're kind of like neutrals. There's some neutrals in here. I mean, I'm not even showing you every piece here. But they reminded me also of some Paper Studio, actually, that I got from Hobby Lobby. So it could be Paper Studio. I don't know. But here's a bunch of neutrals, but really pretty designs. Some green. So I can go colorful. I can go kind of vintage. This one's kind of retro right here with the kind of little flowers there. So, I can go lots of different kind of almost generically different ways with this scrapbook paper. So that's why I decided to go ahead and get it and not leave it behind, because I love, that's one of my weaknesses is scrapbook paper and fabric. I did see some fabric and I resisted that, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I love this paper, so I got it for $1.69. Now the rest of everything I got here, I got some things for my birthday, and I just picked up like some paint brushes, these foam brushes. I use these all the time for things besides my paper crafting and my journals. right now I'm actually fixing up a little, my grandfather, who passed away a long time ago when I was about 17 or 18. He passed away, and anyway, when I was a little girl, like a little girl, like I gotta ask my mom exactly how old I was again. I don't remember if I was like 1 or 3, but he made me a little kitchen cabinet out of wood. He had a workshop, and he made me a kitchen cabinet like out of wood, and just it has little knobs. It just has a little top part, and then it has an opening, and then it have two, cabinet, like double doors on the top, double doors on the bottom, and a little space in between, like a really cute little cabinet that sits on the floor. So anyway, I played with that when I was a little girl and stuff, and my parents have had it in their garage the last, I don't know how many years. They've moved it around with them and kept it with them, and I was like thinking I would use it for something in my house. I wasn't even thinking of my granddaughter. At the moment I was thinking I would use it for something in my house, like a little like a little side table or something, because it's about the height maybe of a couch, the arm of a couch. I thought I could put it beside my couch for like a little table or whatever, and use the top of it as a table, and then have little cabinets for storage. Anyway, so I told my mom, like, I would like to have it if you don't, if you're ready to give it to me, give it back to me, type of thing. And she said, oh yeah, you can, of course you can take it. And she said, you're gonna let Riley play with it. And I'm like, oh yeah, I have a granddaughter now. I kind of get used to that, right? She's 3 now, so I'm kind of used to it now. But anyway, that was probably like a year ago that we talked about it. And then when I went down this past December, I brought it home. So now I'm fixing it up. So that's a long story, I know, but that's why I got these little foam brushes, because I have some, but they, I've been wearing them out and using them, so I needed another package. So I got these at Dollar Tree. And I always keep some on hand for like little craft projects that I kind of like to use these even more than paintbrushes, but sometimes the paintbrush is better. It just depends on what you like and what you're doing. So I'll have to do a little short video or something, in the shorts of the cabinet when it's done. But my granddaughter's favorite color is pink, so it will be pink. It was kind of off-white the last time someone painted. I guess probably my dad. I don't think my mom painted it. I think my dad. I have to ask them who painted it last. I think it's been painted a couple times through the years. I could see some gray under there, and it's very sturdily made of this thick wood that my grandfather made. So now my grandfather's great granddaughter will get to play with this little cabinet, and I'm going to put it in my kitchen, have some little kitchen related dishes and pots and pans and food on it for her and in it, and so she'll be able to play with it now. So I think it's kind of neat that my grandfather's great granddaughter gets to play with this little cabinet he made for me when I was a little girl. So, okay, I'm not going to open this, but I haven't found, I don't know if I've ever found any of these brown envelopes at a thrift store. I mean, I'm sure people find them all the time, but I don't know if I ever have found this size. This is the bigger size, the, let's see, 9 by 12. I've really been wanting to grab one of these sometimes when I'm making a journal. I'm like, I wish I had a brown envelope. And so I bought some actually at Dollar Tree. I got them at Dollar Tree, $1.25. And they had two packages. So this is a package of 6 with a clasp. They had some other ones that only had 5, and they have a little the little glue strip up here where you peel off the strip, and it's got the glue already on there. But I really wanted this one with the clasp. So that's what I got, and it actually has 6 in it anyway. It's a better deal, really, I think. So anyway, I bought that at Dollar Tree. I got this fabric. This is, I think, a fat quarter at, I got this, I believe, at Walmart, and it's Cats. Let's see if it has a flap here. I don't think I've taken it out of here yet since I got it. But I do want to make this into a fabric covered journal. I'm making it. I made a puppy one, and I'm going to make another puppy one. And so I wanted to make a cat one too. So I looked for cat fabric, and I thought this one was really cute. So I got that. Yep, so I got that. And so that's new. I didn't get that at the thrift store. And then it was my birthday. See, I'm trying to think if I've taken anything out of here. I think I've only taken non-crafty stuff out of here so far, so I think all the crafty stuff is left in here. But my younger son and his fiance gave me this little bunch of goodies for my birthday. So in here we have, they said they went to Hobby Lobby and picked out things that I thought I would like. So here's some little patches, iron-on patches. It says these little fish, cute little fish. There's the clownfish. There's a little fish here, cute little colorful. So I think these will be fun, and something that is that I wouldn't probably buy, but something I really like because I wouldn't buy them because they usually cost too much. These look like, they said they said Hobby Lobby, but this looks like Crafter's Squares. Maybe they went to Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, or maybe they meant Dollar Tree, or maybe they went to both. But anyway, little patches. I don't know, do they have these? Do they have Crafter's Square at Hobby Lobby? I never really, hardly ever go to Hobby Lobby, so I don't even know. I know what they have there, but I hardly ever go there. Anyway, here's some pretty stickers. Of course, I can use those. Floral. That'll be great for spring and summer and Easter and all that. Some little tiny black and white buttons. These are cute. I have little tiny buttons, but I don't have any. This black, there's black with polka dots. Plain, looks like plain black. Or do they all have black with polka dots and white with polka dots? I guess that's what it is. No, there's some plain white ones in there too, and plain black ones. But they're these little ones. And I have some of these like in oranges and browns and tans and things, but I don't, and red, I think, but none this color. So that was cool. Some more stickers. I like the, you know, I love the 3D stickers. So these are all more floral 3D. And then here's some more pretty ones. Love all of these. Very pretty. And then let's see what else. Here is a little, it's called a frog closure. So a little closure. Let's see how this works. I mean, I'm sure we can all imagine how it works, but let's check it out. I think it's a little, you know, you undo it one side from the other. Let's see. Oh yeah, it has a little loop here. There's a little loop right here, and you put it over this knot. So I don't know if I would use it for an actual closure or just a decoration. It's white. I don't know if I can color this or not. It feels like I might be able to color this, like if I wanted a coffee diet or even food color diet or something. But anyway, that's neat, something different. Some more buttons. These are blue and white, and believe it or not, I don't think I have any blue and white like this, kind of that vintagey kind of blue and white look. Like old, like the blue and white dishware. It reminds me of that. And here's some more buttons, brown ones. Sewology. That's probably Hobby Lobby. Let's see, that's packaging from the frog closure. Some washi tape. I'll go ahead and take these out of here so I can put them in my basket with my washi tape. I have a little basket in front of me on my shelf with all the washi tape on it. So let's take these out of here. And so I'm picturing myself not having a Thrifty Thursday every Thursday because I'm just about to run out of Thrifty Thursday videos from all the ones I did ahead of time and, you know, caught up with my Thrifty Thursday stuff. But then I accumulated all this from my birthday and from the one trip to the thrift store in 2 months. So I guess you never know what's going to show up in your crafty stash, right? What new stuff is going to show up. But anyway, these are nice kind of generic colors too that can be used in a lot of different journals. This one's green and pink and bluish or turquoise-ish, and this one's all like pinky colors. And let's see, we've got buttons, more buttons. So these are really cool. These are called, they all just say Sewology buttons, but these have little owl in there and little like patterned buttons. There's a little pink one that looks like an owl too, and different colored owls and different colored round ones. So those are pretty colors. And then these are kind of, you know, more neutral colored, but they all have like brown and like light brown and dark brown patterns on them. Hopefully you can see through the package there. So I'm going to take them out right now. And then the last thing in here besides all of this fluff, is some fabric. So this is from Holly. I believe she said these are from Hobby Lobby, these fat quarters. So we've got a nice sunflower pattern here, which is great because I do want to do some sunflower journals. Some really cute chicken. I'm going to open this one up. I mean, sunflowers, you can see it's sunflowers all over, but I can't see all the chickens on here. There's some cute chickens on here. So let's see the chickens. Different colored chickens. This is cute. So this would be a great little farm journal. Fabric covered farm journal with all the different chickens. So cute. Look at this one with the yellow. That's a cute one. And this one has flowers on it too. Different colored flowers. So really cute. I love that. And then this one has sewing, a sewing theme, which is cool. I don't have any fabric like that and a sewing theme on it. So these are like, has scissors and needles and thread. So that is cool. Okay, and that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed my little Thrifty Thursday goodies today, and thank you for watching. Thrifty Thursday is a collab, open collab that was started by me, and it's still hosted by me. And if you'd like to participate, you just do your video, post it on Thursday if you can, but if you want to post it on another day and just use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday, then I would know that you are participating in my collab. And if you wouldn't mind, be a subscriber to my channel and link my channel in your description box just with the @ at Turquoise Dreaming, and there you go, you're ready to go. So thanks for watching. By the way, they did put everything for my birthday in this pretty little box here that I could also use for organizing. It's a little magnetic, I think a magnetic closure. Let me see. I forgot now. Yeah, a little like magnetic closure here on the flap that goes down. So a really nice little box they put everything in too for my birthday. So for my birthday present. So that was awesome. My other son gave me a $25 gift certificate or gift card to Michael's, which I have not gone there yet. I wanted to wait until they got all the Christmas stuff cleared out because I don't want to be tempted to buy any Christmas stuff. So I'm kind of waiting until they probably have a few things left, but a lot of spring things in now. So I think I'm going to go soon. So I may have another Thrifty Thursday from that, because that'll be thrifty because I didn't pay myself for it. And I actually have one from Christmas too that I haven't gone to Michael's yet for either of them. 2 gift cards I have to Michael's. So that could be a good haul because I like to combine it with a coupon too. So I usually make them last, like when I get a Michael's gift card, I make it last the whole year. Believe it or not, this is actually what happens. I make them last like until the next, say, Christmas. I'll probably still have a balance on one of those cards or both. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.